Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Hussein. Today, we're exploring one of the most mysterious worlds in our solar system, a planet so strange, so extreme, that some scientists say it shouldn't even exist. Welcome to Neptune, the planet that shouldn't exist. In our vast solar system, we all know there are 8 planets, and at the very edge lies Neptune, the final mysterious world, drifting in the cold darkness of space. Now, most people think Neptune is the coldest planet, but surprisingly, it's not. Planet Uranus, its neighbor, is even colder. Yet Neptune hides something far more terrifying. This blue world rains diamonds. Yes, diamonds. And deep within its stormy clouds lie secrets so powerful and strange that scientists still can't fully explain them. In the 1800s, astronomers noticed something strange about Uranus. It wasn't moving the way it should. Something invisible was pulling it off course. Some scientists began to doubt Newton's law of gravity. But one man, Urbain Le Verrier, didn't give up. He believed the laws were right, and that something massive was hiding in the dark. Night after night, he worked by candlelight, doing endless calculations by hand. Until one evening, his math pointed to a single spot in the sky. "There's a planet right there," he said. No one believed him. But when telescopes turned to that exact point, they saw it, a giant blue planet. Neptune, discovered not by luck but by the power of pure mathematics. Since then, only one spacecraft, Voyager 2, has ever reached Neptune. It took 12 long years to get there, and when it finally arrived, it revealed a world unlike anything we'd seen. Neptune has 14 moons. Its largest moon, Triton, moves backward, the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation. And it's so cold that volcanoes on Triton don't erupt with lava. They erupt with ice. One day on Neptune lasts only 16 hours. But one Neptune year equals 165 Earth years. That means one single season on Neptune lasts over 40 years. And because it's so far from the sun, even at noon, Neptune looks like Earth after sunset, a world covered in endless twilight. But here's the scary part. Neptune can never be landed on. It's not solid. It's made of gas, ice, and violent storms. Winds there blow faster than 100-200 miles per hour, 5 times stronger than any hurricane on Earth. Scientists call one of its storms the Great Dark Spot. A storm so large, our entire Earth could fit inside it. And that beautiful blue color? It's not because of water. It's because of methane gas, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. That's why Neptune glows like a sapphire in the darkness of space. Even today, Neptune hides countless mysteries. We've only seen its surface. No one knows what's really happening deep inside. Maybe the universe still keeps some of its greatest secrets there. Stay curious with Mr. Hussein. Explore Neptune, like, share, subscribe, and keep discovering.